Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So you guys have to just simply open up first the Tag Manager. So after opening up the Tag Manager, you have to simply create an account with your website. So after creating an account, you have to simply go to this tag section and click on this to access the tags, and make sure that you have put it these head and body tag in every your web page. So after adding these tags, you can just simply copy it and add it in your web page. So after adding these tags in your web page, you have to, in order to check, you have to simply click on this preview button. So after clicking on this preview button, it will ask you for your website. You have to simply put your website URL and click on connect, and in this way you can integrate Google Tag Assistant to your website. So it's pretty simple. So after completing the first step, now you guys have to simply head over to Google Analytics, and here you have to simply create an account by just putting the information. So we are putting the information like your account new name, like Saad Ahmed, and click on the next. And here you have to simply put your property name or company name. So you have to simply click. So I'm just explaining to you. You can select your own country and region and currency and click on next. So after clicking on next, here you have to simply select your country or industry category. So assume that I'm selecting this one just for example, and here you have to simply select your business size or range, and you have to simply select and click on next. And here you have to simply click your objectives, business objectives. You guys can select more than one. So after selecting any of the objectives and click on create. So after clicking on create, now you have to just simply click on accept, and your analytics account has been created. Now you guys have to just simply select the platform. It is providing you three options: web, Android, and iOS app. So you have to simply select web. So after selecting the web, now you have to simply put your website URL here, and assume that I'm selecting this one, and you have to simply put this again and click on create stream. So after clicking on that, it will take some time, and now you guys can see it will start streaming your account. So now over here, you guys will be able to see this error has been popping out that data collection is not active for your website. So if you want to fix it, then don't worry about it. You have to simply copy this measurement IT here, and we have to simply paste it in tag section. So go to this, copy this by just tapping on this, and go to tag manager and simply head over to this tag section and click on this new button here. Here you have to simply add the name of the tag which you want to add, like GA, and click on this pencil icon and click on this Google Analytics. And here you have to simply click on this Google Analytics GA4. So after selecting that, you have to simply put your measurement IT here. You just have to simply type the control V because we have already copied this, and click on create tag and click on save. And here you have to just simply rename it. And here you have to just simply click on this choose trigger to make the tag fire. And here you have to simply select the all pages, and now what it can do is it can provide the tags of all the pages, and it will give you other analytics of all the pages. And here you have to simply click on this save, and after clicking on save, it will take some time, and after that you have to simply click on submit and click on publish. So it will take some time, and you have to simply click on skip, and it just wait for a while. And Yahoo, our tag has been added and our trigger tag has been triggered. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.